Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Bovada for beginners. Bovada is a popular online sportsbook and casino that offers a wide range of betting options and games. To get started, you will need to create an account. Go to the Bovada website and click on the Join Now button. Fill out the registration form with your personal details, including your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you will need to make a deposit. Bovada offers a variety of payment options, including credit cards, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the instructions to complete the deposit process. After you have made your deposit, you can start browsing the different betting options and games available on the site. The Sportsbook section allows you to bet on a wide range of sports, including football, basketball, and baseball. You can also bet on horse racing, esports, and other events. To place a bet, simply click on the event you want to bet on and select the type of bet you want to make. You can choose from a variety of bet types, including point spreads, money lines, and over/under bets. Enter the amount you want to bet and click on the Place Bet button to confirm your wager. In addition to the sportsbook, Bovada also offers a casino section with a wide range of games, including slots, blackjack, and roulette. You can also play poker and other card games. To play a game, simply click on the game you want to play and follow the instructions. It is also important to understand the different types of odds and how they work. Bovada uses American odds, which are also known as moneyline odds. These odds are expressed as a positive or negative number, with positive numbers indicating the amount of money you can win and negative numbers indicating the amount of money you need to bet to win. As a beginner, it is essential to set a budget and stick to it. Do not bet more than you can afford to lose, and always prioritize responsible gaming. Bovada also offers a variety of tools and resources to help you manage your betting, including deposit limits and self-exclusion options. Finally, Bovada offers a rewards program that allows you to earn points and rewards for your betting activity. You can redeem these points for cash, bonuses, and other perks. To get the most out of your Bovada experience, be sure to take advantage of the rewards program and other promotions and bonuses offered by the site. By following these steps and tips, you can get started with Bovada and enjoy a fun and rewarding betting experience. Remember to always prioritize responsible gaming and to set a budget and stick to it. With its wide range of betting options and games, Bovada is a great choice for beginners and experienced bettors alike.